What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We have got the art therapy session for you sorted out this evening, and we have your affirmations sorted out for the rest of the week as well. So what were you waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, and I also create portraits of people and of pets as well for my clients on a commission basis too. If you want to know any more about that, you can follow the link in the description to my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk. The art therapy drawings that I create on a Wednesday are from my Mandala book, this one right here. You can pick this up from the Amazon store, link in the description. An absolute brilliant book to be drawing mandalas in. You don't have to draw any of the circles, they are already pre-made in this book. All you got to do is just fill it in with all your patterns. There is a blank sheet on the opposite side, so you can do any of your practice runs first of your drawing, and the whole picture and the whole of the book is littered with the whole of those circles in and templates. If you don't draw on that side, you can then cut this page out. It's got a nice little border on it. Cut the page out, take a picture of it, put a nice background on it, and stick it on your social media. If you do buy this book and you do create any of the images, please tag me in any of your work on your Instagram or anywhere. My Instagram is and my Instagram is Romeo_sketches. So tag me in any of your work. If you do create any of those, if you create any of the drawings, if you create any of the mandalas from this book. Also as well, you can follow along to any of my videos. There is a playlist of all the drawings that I do from this book on that playlist. So you're never going to be without any sort of inspiration or stuck for any ideas of patterns or anything like that. Just follow along and check out that playlist, link in the description below. And coming on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing this very cool Zentangle pattern. Nice little eye inside, and then you've got all these patterns revolving around this centerpiece eye. Got lots of little patterns in there to do. Loads of little creativity going on in that pattern today. So what we all waiting for? Let's roll the video. And how was that for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. And now let's move on to today's affirmations. Listen to this nice and quietly. Listen to these on your headphones. Close your eyes, relax, breathe in deeply, take in all the words that are being said, and listen to it on repeat as well. Listen to it before you go to bed and for when you wake up in the mornings, or when you're in your way to work or anything like that. It's a great way to motivate and to have a positive day. Sit back, relax, and let's listen to these words. Close your eyes and get comfortable. Relax and listen to these words. I feel joy, love, and abundance. I am one with my inner child. I am amazing. I can do anything. I am prepared to succeed. Positivity is a choice. I am fabulous, funny, and giving. I am outstanding. I am unique and special, and most importantly, I am me. I am financially free. I am perfect exactly as I am. I focus on what is truly essential. I make positive, healthy choices. I am in control of my reactions. I find solutions within me. All is well in my life. I will make the most of new opportunities. I organize my priorities with clarity. I forgive myself. I am forgiven. I will always be there for myself. I enjoy the variety of life. I am my own guru. I take good care of myself. I am patient with myself. I let go of my past. I am evolving eternally. I know I can always upgrade. There is a gift for me in everything that I experience. I follow my inner guidance. I appreciate my physical body. I treat my body well. I take it easy. I make room for fun and playfulness. I appreciate intimacy. I am very good at letting go. I am grateful for my life. I love being myself. Time is on my side. I surrender to love. I invite bliss. I learn from my past. I am good at walking the talk. I enjoy being taken good care of by the universe. I create my reality on a continuous basis. My body is healthy. I am superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My business is growing, expanding, and thriving. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. I am courageous and I stand up for myself. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. Slowly now open your eyes and feel more motivated. Thank you for listening. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.